Hello, if you are new, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a soft glam going out kind of date night look. Pretty natural, pretty soft. So let's get right into that. To start, we're going to go in with a transition color and we're going to put that right under the brow, and if you have hooded eyes like I do, we're going to go down to the hood of the eye. Let's do that. Alrighty, so now we're going to go in with a color that is slightly darker, and we're going to go right around here in our crease and give a little cat eye shape. Or if you want to, you can even do a rounded eye shape. We're going to go cat eye today because that's my favorite shape. So let's do that. Okay, so it's still looking like nothing is going on right now, but we're trying to do transition colors, and if you're trying to do a smoky eye, the more transition colors that you do, the smoother the smoky eye is going to be. So next we're going to go in with another color that is slightly darker, definitely darker than your skin tone. So let's get into that color. So now that we are getting just a little bit of shade in our eyes, we are going to go in with a nice chocolatey brown color. Alrighty, we are almost done. So next we're going to go in with a slightly denser brush, and we're going to go right around here and do a black, or if you have a darker brown, you could do that. So now we are going to get a gold or champagne color and put that on the inner 2/3 of our eye. Alrighty, you can either stop here for the eyeshadow look, or you can continue and do some glitter on top. And I always love glitter, so I'm gonna go add some glitter and do my wings and brow, and we will be right back. Alrighty, so I have a nice glitter liner on, at least most of my eye. I got my red lipstick on, brows on, I'm looking cute. So now we are gonna put on some blush. If you don't like blush, I agree sometimes. My blush skills have just gotten better, so let's hope it works. Alrighty, so our blush is on and we are going to do our highlighter really quick. I have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow, if you can see it there. And what color is this? I have no clue because it is old. Way too old. So, just gonna dab in here. Put on some highlighter. We are going for a pretty natural look, so we don't want to do too much as I sit here and put on even more, but it's okay. The little nose, so I like the nose highlight, and a little bit right here, and bam, we are done. Everything looks super cute with the mirror. So that is about it. This is a pretty simple, basic going out look. If you want a more natural look, then here you go, because all of my looks are pretty bold. So if you like this, let me know down in the comments below. If not, tell me what you want to see and I will do that. So I will see you guys later. Bye.